What we have here today is a 42-inch white and polished brass view fan ceiling fan, likely sold under the Bay Breeze brand for Builder Square. The fan dates to 1991. It is a 3-speed electrically reversible fan. The blades on the fan are white, non-reversible. The fan has an integrated light on it. That globe, I'm pretty sure, is original. The mounting hardware on the fan is definitely not. There's not really much else to say about it, so let's go ahead and start it right up. What's interesting about this particular fan is that on the label on it, it says it's made by Mal Chun Electrical Manufacturing Company, which I'm not sure if Mal Chun and Viewfan were affiliated with each other or what. This fan has a lot of Viewfan characteristics, so that's who I'm guessing it's really made by. The Bay Breeze brand is also a far cry as well. I have really no idea what this thing is really, but it seems like something that Bay Breeze would sell. The low speed on the fan is a little bit fast for average. Go ahead and take it up to medium. And we're going to take it to high. It's kind of hard to hear over the air conditioning, but the bearings do make a little bit of noise, which is par for the course for a View fan. Fan we're probably doing around 190, 195 RPM. Airflow is modest, if I were to guess. It's definitely not the most powerful 42-inch fan I've tested. It moves some air. I believe the blade pitch on this thing is only 9 or 10 degrees at the most. And we'll go ahead and let it coast. Notice how the fan rocks back and forth a little bit. That is because of the non-original replacement down rod that's on the fan. This style fan here takes a specialty down rod where, because the down rod just slips over the mounting stem from the motor, there's no actual yoke or nothing like typically that you see on fans where down rod's attached to. So the down rod just slips over the yoke, and there's a screw that tightens down and clamps it down in place. Well, since this down rod's not original, it's basically just hanging freely on there with a pin. So it is what it is. There we go. That was the 42-inch white and polished brass possible Babe Ruth ceiling fan from 1991, made by View Fan. So thanks for watching Matt's Fan Storm. We'll be seeing you next time.